Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to activate maintenance mode on your website. For that purpose, we are going to use a simple plugin called WP Maintenance Mode. After plugin activation, you can find this plugin settings under Settings menu, WP Maintenance Mode. Click Status Activated and click Save Settings. Here it is. Our website is under Maintenance Mode. To change the content of this page, you can go to Design, add some media, change the text, add a background. For instance, from the media library, something interesting. And here is the design with the background image. The text color can be changed from the text editor in the Design tab of the plugin.